What's good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Lost Souls back with another video. And before getting into the video, guys, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. If you're new, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to help with the YouTube algorithms so we grow my channel some more. We're currently on our way to hitting 400 subscribers, so please help me hit that next milestone. But without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. Alright, guys, so for today's video, guys, we are going to be doing an unboxing of potentially one of the best dunks of the year in my opinion, and this is the Nikesb Crenshaw Skate Club dunk. For those that are asking, yes, I did hit for retail, so my shoe did take a while to arrive. These came out about 2-3 weeks ago, so it's been 2-3 weeks. I had to wait for shipping confirmation and all that. It took quite a while because it did arrive from Los Angeles. I did have to pay shipping and duties. Shipping wasn't too expensive. It was like $8 surprisingly, but the duties was $40 Canadian, so I had to pay that. So in total, I probably paid about $245 Canadian dollars, which is not too bad. These are probably going for about $500, $450 on the resale market. So if I did want to sell these, I'm making that extra $200. Show you guys proof that I bought it off the Crenshaw Skate Club. Here is their logo, and here is the, if it can focus, their company. So yes, I did pay retail, boys. We caught a W. I was very lucky enough, guys. I actually caught this at work. I was on the website on time, but in order to get into the website, you had to put in a password, which frustrated a lot of people. So it defeated the purpose of the bots, because obviously you can't enter a website without the password. So it took out a lot of the bots, and I was very fortunate enough to cop for retail, and I'm super happy. It did take a while, like I said. Delayed W's is all we get this year. So looking at the box, guys, you get a Nikesb box in gray, and then you get like this cream colorway, and then it says Nikesb in the front here, and then it has the sizing on this side. This is a USD pair. Usually if it's a Canadian, it will say CAD pair on the side there. And then obviously you have all your Nike stuff on the bottom of the box. When opening the box, guys, it comes with another set of insoles in a light blue colorway. So the left pair says Crenshaw Skate Club with the Nikesb, and then the other one, the right pair, says Crenshaw Skate Club again, but this one has a palm tree, and it's in the light blue colorway. And at the bottom it says 9008. I'm not too sure what that signifies. If anyone knows, please leave it in the comment section down below. That'd be greatly appreciated. This is a pretty dope touch that they're adding insoles. Comes with a sticker here, a Nikesb sticker. It's like a ghost sticker, which is pretty cool. Now I'm only speaking in terms of my pair that came directly from the company. I don't know what the Nike pairs come with. Do they come with stickers? I don't know. I'm not speaking for that. Moving on, it comes with this paper, and there's like just some sort of line, like design, nothing too crazy on it, but white paper. And then now you get the shoe. Now I have the shoe in hand. This is the left pair, and then there is the right pair. Now looking at the shoe, guys, this shoe the quality is insane in my opinion. I really like this shoe. I don't regret buying these, and like you guys know me, I say I don't really like dunks, but I really like these dunks. So we're gonna start off with this pair. Well, we're gonna start off with the pair in general. So they come with an icy blue bottom, and at the bottom it says Crenshaw Skate Club on each half, so it kind of like separates, and then it says Crenshaw Skate Club, and then after that it has the palm tree and some clouds on the bottom, which is pretty cool. And then it comes with a sets of lace, 3 sets of laces. So there is the light blue, or I don't know if it's a green or blue, I'll say blue, and then it comes with a yellow, and then it comes with a maroon. They're tied up with the shoe, so I actually have to like untie them and take them out. And then also it is white midsole, and then it has a light blue Nike swoosh, and then the shoe in general is made out of suede. And then this material right here, I believe it's suede, I'm not too sure, but it's a pretty tough material because it is made for skateboarders, and I don't really skateboard, but it's a nice shoe to have in the collection. Then you have your white midsole. I don't know about any other people's pairs, but I seen mine, they come with like, there was like a green mark here. I'm not too sure about that. I don't know if it's a factory flaw, but there is green marking here on the side. I don't know if that's a QC flaw or it's just part of the design of the shoe. Let me know in the comment section down below. And then on the left tongue it says Nikesb Dunk Low Pro, and then on the right side it says Crenshaw Skate Club, which is a pretty dope touch. And then on the back of the tongue it says Nike and Crenshaw Skate Club, and then there is like I think those are Chinese letterings, I'm not too sure, but yes, these are a very dope shoe to have in the collection. The quality is insane, guys, let me tell you that. And then also the coloring here is like a green and maroon to mimic the inside of the shoe. In the inside of the shoe, the lining is green here. And I don't know, the material is really tough, like I said, because it's for skateboarders, so the shoes are meant to be beat up. And then the inside, the insole of the shoe that's currently inside, it comes with a maroon and green. And this one, the right pair, says Crenshaw Skate Club. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's kind of dark. I'm trying to bring the light a bit closer. All right, so I took out the insole of the shoe, guys, and this one, the insole comes with like a green and maroon insole, and it says Crenshaw Skate Club SB, and then at the bottom also it says 90008. I don't know what that signifies, if it's an area code or whatnot. Let me know, like I said. And then it comes with this regular paper bag for the like shoe trees. Under the tongue here is a Crenshaw Skate Club, which is their logo, and then on the other one says just regular Crenshaw Skate Club. Let me just take that out. Crenshaw Skate Club. What do I think of these shoes in general? I really love this shoe. I think it's like the colorway is beautiful, like the quality is there because it's actually made for skateboarders. So you know that I think the material is tough, so it's definitely gonna have to be broken into. I'm absolutely happy with my purchase. I know there's a lot of crazy dunks coming out this year, and I'm happy that I got at least one of them. I'm probably gonna keep the light blue laces. The light blue laces on. I don't really like the yellow, and I'm not really like a red person, so I'm definitely gonna keep the light blues on. And then we're gonna throw these on feet, guys, so stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy. Just sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that review and unboxing of the Nike Crenshaw Skate Club SB Dunks. If you guys did, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. We're on our way to 400 subscribers. Help me hit that next milestone. That'd be greatly appreciated, guys. Catch you guys in the next vid, guys. It's your boy Lost Souls tuning out. Peace!